Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take vitamin K2 and D3. These two essential vitamins work synergistically, meaning they enhance each other's benefits. Vitamin D3 is crucial for calcium absorption, but without K2, that calcium might not go where it's most needed. K2 ensures calcium is properly utilized, supporting strong bones and a healthy heart. Understanding their combined role is key to maximizing your health benefits. When considering dosage, many adults find 2,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 beneficial, though individual needs vary. For K2, specifically the MK7 form, a daily intake of 100 to 200 micrograms is commonly recommended. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the precise dosage right for your specific health profile. You can find these vitamins in various convenient forms. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable health tips. On another note, while you're nourishing your body with vitamins, don't forget to nourish your mind. You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Find the link for this amazing device and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. To get the most out of your K2 and D3 supplements, timing is important. Always take them with a meal that includes some healthy fats, as both are fat-soluble vitamins and require fat for optimal absorption. Also, remember that consistency is key. Taking them daily at the same time helps maintain steady levels. Consider magnesium intake, as it supports D3's effectiveness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.